Welcome to Supathya. Today I am going to show you how to make Namak Pare, which is a tea time snack. Let us look at the ingredients now.
Let us begin making the Suji Namak Pare. Take 1 cup of Rava or Sooji. Now use the mixer grinder to grind it into a fine powder. Now put the Rava powder in the mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of Ajwain, salt for taste, 1 tablespoon oil. Now it is time to knead the dough. Slowly add water and knead the dough like a chapati dough. Please do not pour large quantities of water to make the dough faster. It needs to be done slowly with smaller amount by adding water slowly. Now keep the dough aside for 10 minutes and allow it to settle. Now after allowing it to settle, you can see the dough is soft. Now let's make 3 portions of the dough. Roll it into a thin sheet. Take care to ensure the dough does not tear. Now with the help of knife, cut into strips. This is now your choice what shape you want to give it. Some people like it as long strips. We will try for diamonds today. Let's slowly put it in oil which is kept in pan. The flame can be on high. Take out the Namak Pare when it is light brown in color. Voila! Our tasty Namak Pare is now ready to serve. Enjoy with your family at home and friends during tea or snack time. Thank you.